guys, today we are making a cute ice cream. Let's start off from the top of the ice cream. We are making a curve first for the ice cream top. Now the second layer of the ice cream goes. Make sure it is the same length and size at the same side. Now the third layer. Now let's join it together. To make the ice cream dipping, we have to make these cute little dipping postures. Now let's start off the cone. Make a straight line to the dot and the second line to the dot. Now we are making the wrapper. And a pretty good heart in the wrapper. Little shadow for the heart. Now let's start up the cone design. Oh, almost forgot. Now let's joint up the cream. Now let's make it alive with its eyes and mouth. Now its mouth with a little tongue. Now with the eyebrows. Cute. Now for the coloring. And ready. Bye bye. See you in the next video.